Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today in this video, we are going to learn what are distinct statement in operator and between operator in SQL. Distinct statement. The distinct statement is used to return only the distinct values from a specified column in a table. Our table may contains many duplicate values inside a column. When we want only to list the different distinct values from a column, in that case we use distinct statement. Select distinct statement from the column salary from the table worker. This is the query we use for to find the distinct values of a column from the table. And we can also use count function to get the count of unique values in our table. We so let us see how this works in SQL Server. I have a table called worker. I have the columns worker ID, first name, last name, salary, the joining date, and the department in the table worker. Now let us see how to have a state query. Select distinct from the column salary from the table worker. Here I have a query with distinct. I want all the salary of the employees, all the distinct salary of our employees, and from the table worker. Let us execute this query. Total I have 7 distinct salary work of workers from the table worker. Now let us see how to use count function. I want the count of this table. Let us execute this query. Total I have 7 records with distinct values of the column salary from the table worker. Now let us see what is in operator in SQL. The in operator allows you to specify multiple values in a where condition. Suppose I have a column called department in the table, and I have different values like HR, admin, and account departments in my table. Now let us see how in operator works. I have a query select star from the table worker where the department in admin. I want all the workers who are into admin department. In that case, we use in operator. And I have another query select star from worker where department not in admin. I don't want the workers who are in department admin. So it gives the output who are all the workers in other departments. So let us see how these queries work in SQL. Have a table and select star from worker where department in admin. I want all the workers who are in department admin. So let us execute this query. Total I have 7 records who of employees workers who are working in department admin. Now in case I want workers who are working in admin and as well as in account department both. So let us see how this works. Have total 9 records who are workers who are working in admin and account department. Now let us see how not in function works. I have selected star from the table worker where the department not in admin, who the workers who are not working in admin. So it gives the output who are the workers working in other departments. Let us execute this query. Have total 3 records who are not working in admin department. So I have one worker who is working in HR department and the 2 records who are working in the account department. Now let us see what is between operator in SQL. The between operator selects the values within a given range. The values can be numbers, text, or dates. I want the salary. Suppose I have a table called worker with the salary, joining date, and department. I want the workers whose salaries between the range 70,000 and 90,000. So I have selected star from the table worker who where salary is between 70,000 and 90,000. So it will give all the records of the workers whose salary is between this range 70,000 and 90,000. And the between operator is inclusive. Begin and end values are included. It gives the values of including 70,000 and 90,000 from the table. And we also have not between operator, and have query select star from the table worker where salary is not between 70,000 and 90,000. It won't give the salary of workers who are ranging between 70,000 and 90,000. It will give the other workers salary from my table. So let us see how this works in SQL. Have selected star from table worker where salary is between 70,000 and 90,000. So let us execute this query. I have total 6 records whose salary is ranging between 70,000 and 90,000. It gives the values inclusive of 70,000 and 90,000. Now let us see how not between operator works. I have selected the table star from the table worker where salary is not between the range 70,000 and 90,000. So it gives all the other workers salaries whose range is not between 70,000 and 90,000. Let us execute this query. I have total 4 records whose salary is not ranging between 70,000 and 90,000 from my table. Now we have seen how the integer values works in between and not between operator. Now let us see how date function works in between function operator. I have selected star from the table worker where the joining date of the employees is between these two the range of dates. Let us execute this query. I have total 9 records of the workers whose joining date is ranging between the specified dates from my table. Now let us see one more example. I want all the workers whose salary is between the range of 70,000 and 19,000. Along with that, I don't want the workers whose worker ID is equal to 1, 2, and 3 from my table worker, and also I want the salary to be in descending order. So let us see how to use this query. I have selected star from the table worker, and I want the worker salary between 70,000 and 90,000. I have used where condition where the salary is between 70,000 and 90,000. And in addition, I do not want to show the workers with worker ID 1, 2, and 3. And here I am using end function whose worker ID from the table worker is not in. I am using not in operator. I don't want the worker IDs 1, 2, 3 to display from my table worker. And I want the salary to be displayed in descending order. I am using order by statement select salary in descending order. Let us see how this example works. Let us execute this query. Have total 4 records from the table whose salary is between the range 70,000 and 90,000. Along with that, I don't have the worker ID of 1, 2, and 3, and the salary is displayed in descending order. This is how the between function operator works in SQL. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching this.